Oh, we had a great break from the rain today. Unfortunately, though, way too short. We do have more rain coming in tomorrow, and that does include the chance for some heavy rain and that potential for some localized flooding. Best chance of rain is going to be in this dark purple shaded area, our western mountain counties. We're talking Franklin, Brevard included in this, places where the ground has been so wet, and even in the French Broad River Valley could see between 1 and 2 inches of rain, more like 1.5 inches to 1.75 inches. That's enough to cause some flooding in low-lying areas, so be aware of that as we head on through tomorrow. Also, we had that chance for more severe weather in the upstate. This is going to be south of us. See Asheville right here. Really not much of a chance for storms. Can't rule out a few storms as we head south. We go down into the dark green shaded area, and that's that marginal risk. And then the southern fringes of Abbeville and Greenwood counties are under that slight risk. And what that means is scattered severe storms possible, short-lived, not widespread, but there could be some isolated tornadoes and small hail and of course damaging winds. So if you are in that marginal or slight risk area, just make sure you seek shelter if a warning's issued. Mobile homes are not safe, so maybe plan to have a place to go tomorrow if you are in that risk area. Stay away from windows, and of course make sure you know where to go in case of a tornado. That's in the upstate. In the mountains is going to be rain that will be more of a threat. This area of high pressure that gave us our beautiful Saturday is moving on sadly for Sunday. And Sunday we start off the day with patchy fog, plenty of clouds, maybe a little bit of light drizzle early on. As we go into the late morning, we see that rain picking up even more 5 o'clock in the evening, and this is when that front should be right over us, and we do have that good chance, the best chance for those storms, the heavy downpours and some gusty winds. We go into tomorrow night, we have cold air moving in, and look at a little bit of blue here over the mountains. That indicates some light snow showers as this chilly air moves in, and some of these snow showers could go well into Monday morning. Beyond that, we're going to be dry and very cold for much of the work week with this Canadian high pressure in control, and we're talking lows dropping down into the teens on one morning. We'll show you that coming up. Meanwhile, hour by hour, a very uneventful overnight, but then we see that rain moving in, and by early afternoon, much of our western mountains should have that rain coming down steadily. As we go into dinner time hour, we see it's very unsettled over the upstate, and the rain keeps falling over much of the mountains. Again, the western mountains have that steady, persistent rain late at night. Rain-snow mix mainly along the ridge tops, and then we see those light snow showers continuing for much of Monday. Of course, a lot of folks want to know where and how much snow. It is not going to be very much at all. We just see very light amounts. I can't rule out a dusting in Asheville and maybe 1 inch or so on the highest elevations, but not a lot. Slick roads, though, will make for a weather-worn day on Monday. 43 the low for tonight. Highs tomorrow are going to be cooler, 53. Although still not too cold. Bigger issue, of course, is going to be the rain and the storms. That's why we have that weather-worn day on Sunday. Monday, with that wintry mix changing over to light snow, another weather-worn day. And then we get really cold. We're talking a low of 17 degrees on Wednesday. So that's not a weather-worn day. That's just going to be one very uncomfortable morning.
It's always bad when you take that turn back, so hopefully we'll get on the course that we stay on at some point.
It was so nice today.
It certainly